Hi, I'm Cayla Solomon, holistic sleep coach and founder of Sleeping Beauties. Let's walk through one of the most effective breathing techniques for calming your nervous system. This one is called box breathing. It's very simple, structured, and really grounding, especially if you're feeling anxious, scattered, or kind of just overstimulated. It's called box breathing because you breathe in 4 equal parts, like tracing the side of a square. Here's the pattern. You're going to inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, and repeat. You can even imagine tracing a box in your mind or just gently moving your finger through the air to help you anchor the rhythm. Let's try one round together. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, hold for 2, 3, 4, exhale 2, 3, 4, hold 2, 3, 4, and you can just do a few rounds or set a timer for 1 to 2 minutes. This is a great practice to use before bed, before a big conversation, or anytime you want to just sort of reset your energy without needing to do anything else. Inside the recharge protocol, I help you figure out when and how to use these different kinds of breath practices based on your unique energy and rhythm and also your stress patterns so that you're not just reacting, you're building habits that regulate yourself over time. Take a few more rounds if you'd like or explore the next breath in the series. I'm going to do one more before we end this video. And that's it. Have a great day.